Hi guys, and welcome to my channel tonight. It's Cherry Mark, and I'm very happy today to invite you to my channel. I'm dressing a Kenyan coastal attire, which they call dira or dira. I don't know. I think it's called dira. So just have a look at it. It's very comfortable, very comfortable. It gives you the it gives you the woman look. Yeah, it just gives you the feminine look, you know. It's very comfortable, very free, and you know, you just feel like, oh, you feel Kenyan, really Kenyan. So this is how it's made. It's very simple, really simple, and I love the colors. So anyway guys, thank you for being with me tonight. I'm in the kitchen today doing some Sukumawiki. Let's keep it Kenyan. Sukumawiki is one of the most common vegetables in Kenya, in the Kenyan family, and I think everyone who knows anyone in Kenya or anyone who heard about ugali, you always know that ugali is accompanied with skuma. So skuma is the short form of Sukumawiki. Anyway, so I'm going to go straight to the video as we continue keeping it Kenyan, and I'm gonna show you. This is the Sukumawiki. That's how it looks like. Really green, fresh, and yeah, very oh, just feel like eating it raw. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, it's not really bad. I can still eat raw. Anyway, yeah, you get them like this. Unfortunately, I have already prepared them, so you have to pick them from the supermarket and choose or try to check the leaves. This is what you eat, the edible side. So you have to check on the pesticides and how clean it is, and of course something that is not infested with any small animals. With that I mean the pesticide. Anyway, you have to wash this thoroughly. You have to clean this really thoroughly. So with cold water under the sink, you put it and wash one by one. After you do that, you pick a handful of them, you hold them like this, put them or place them in a chopping board, just like I do right now. And this is where you start chopping them slowly, into small circular sizes. So just watch how I'm doing. This is how we do it. You just have to be very careful not to chop. Don't chop your fingers. Be very careful. And in case you have an accident, you have to be careful not to mix whatever happened in the food. So you just go on chopping, just like you do this with other vegetables like onions, tomatoes, and stuff. So yeah, it's a really delicious kind of meal or kind of vegetable that's really full of vitamins and iron as well, and fiber as well, and many other nutrients. So I think it's very healthy and it's edible for everyone, like the kids and everyone else can still enjoy it. So what you do after you finish chopping this, you just try to fry these or just to cook them in oil and onions and tomatoes. You just have to really short and very, very, very briefly cook them. So it's not something that you have to cook more than 20 minutes. I think around 10 minutes is enough. You don't have to wait until the color has turned to dark green. No, you can only cook this. You can cook this yeah, you can cook this in like you can cook this in 5 minutes. Mostly 5 minutes is enough, so that it's really what do you call this, knackig. They call it knackig in German. So yeah, it's really nice. Anyway, the other thing is, I didn't tell you guys, skuma. Okay, skuma normally is known Sukumawiki in Kenya. This is how it looks like. You see, that's how it looks like. I'm just going to show you right now. So Sukumawiki simply means pushing, like keep going or pushing towards the wick. That's the final product of everything. That's how it looks like after every cutting detail. So mainly, well, what I was saying is skuma is called Sukumawiki, and Sukumawiki means just getting along or pushing over or going over the wick. Simply means just take it easy, and the wick is soon going to come to the end. Very simple. So as we know, Kenyans are very laid back people, very chilled, no hectic at all. So they take this as something that helps them to move over the wick. So that's how you have it. You hold this and place this on the chopping board, and you just continue chopping. Just continue chopping up and down. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Yes, this is the whole process. So yeah, like I said, skuma can really be eaten with rice, with ugali, or it can be eaten with what else, with beans, with maize, anything, like anything you feel like can always accompany skuma or Sukumawiki. So basically most Kenyans eat this mostly with ugali. So mostly people in Kenya use this for ugali or for rice and many other things. Like I said before, you don't have to cook this for hours, for long. You only steam this, or you just put it very shortly in oil with onions and tomatoes, and then make sure that it has it has absorbed some oil. And with that, you don't have to cook it more than around 5 minutes. Maximum you can do for best results is 10 minutes or even 8 minutes. So yeah, that's simple. That's simple what Sukumawiki is all about. Anyway guys, I hope you had fun with me tonight. I'm looking forward for more and greater videos in the future, and I'm looking forward to see you guys in my page, in my channel, subscribing and putting the thumbs up for me. And yes, and one thing I forgot guys, for those living in Germany or in Germany specifically, for me, for example, or for us living in the southern part of Germany, these skumas are not the real skumas we have in Kenya. So what you do, you have to go to the supermarket and you have to get the kohlrabi. They call it kohlrabi. And from the kohlrabi, you take the leaves, and normally they don't sell this, so you can basically ask from the supermarket attendants if you are allowed to take them. Otherwise, some people will say no, it's not allowed. But normally, you can always take them from the kohlrabi. Since you are not consuming the kohlrabi itself, you just need the leaves, which they end up throwing. So you can just pick them for your home consumption, and yeah, that's how. Maybe you can just tell. Most people say this is for the rabbits, and so you can just say you are taking the kohlrabis to feed your rabbits back at home, yeah, and with that they can just allow you to take them without having to pay or having to go through any problems. So that's it about it today, and I hope guys you had fun. I'm also having lots of fun here preparing my skumas, and since I'm done now, I can always slice them more tinier and tinier, like you see I'm doing. And yeah, I think that's it. So guys, thanks for watching me, and let's see us next time. We are keeping it Kenyan as always, and we are always keeping our pride really high as Kenyans, and let's support our fellow Kenyans outside there and even in the YouTube community, and put everyone, let's keep our thumbs up for everyone. For today, goodbye, have a nice evening, bye.